3D printing. 3D printing or three-dimensional printing is a process of making a physical object from a digital three-dimensional model. The object can be made using a few printing materials, including plastics, powders, filaments, paper, or even human tissue. 3D printed objects. Look at some 3D printed objects around the world. American artist Ivan Owen created the first 3D printed prosthetic limb in 2011. Scratchy is claimed to be the world's first 3D printed electric car. The world's first 3D printed bridge is a 40 feet pedestrian bridge in Amsterdam. Touchpad is India's first 3D printed house, which was created in 2020 in Chennai.